Hi there, this is Tantan. Today we're talking about an EV company that's gained huge popularity in the stock market. Due to the huge potential of the company, many investors, be it retail or hedge funds, started to pump money in the company. In addition, its CEO has gained so much popularity that he could easily move any investment asset as of when he put up a tweet. Hence, in today's video, we're talking about how the company is trying to reshape the automotive industry. The company talking about is Tesla. Before I continue, please smash the like button. And if you'd like to see more such videos, please subscribe to this channel. Hmm? Huh? What did you say halfway? Oh! Firstly, we're talking about the business model of the company. Everyone should know the business model of Tesla. If you don't know, Tesla is an EV company that is being run by Elon Musk. Previously, it was being followed by many retail investors. During that time, these investors do not have a lot of capital and following behind them. However, due to the pandemic, these retail investors decided to gather together on social media sites such as Reddit. This caused a rise in the stock price of Tesla. Moreover, a less known hedge fund, ARK Invest at the time, decided to invest in Tesla. Due to the performance of the company and the hedge fund, many investors, big or small, know Tesla now. Hence, the popularity of the company has been rising. Furthermore, many recent publicly listed companies try to copy the success of Tesla. So far, no company have come close to the level of Tesla. Secondly, we're talking about the company's growth in China. Tesla is recalling more than 700 units of Model 3 electric cars that was imported into China, the central government market regulator. The announcement followed recall of tens of thousands of Tesla vehicles in China and the US in the last 7 months. Elon Musk automakers have also come under increased regulatory scrutiny in China in the last 7 months after a series of negative consumer and media reports of brake failures and collision. The cars either have a seat belt issue that could increase the risk of passenger injury in the event of a collision or a tire-related problem that could increase the risk, the regulatory said. Tesla will notify affected car owners and conduct free inspections and repairs, the statement said. Tesla told the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration it was not aware of any crash or injury related to the recall. One recall covers 5,530 vehicles comprising 2018 to 2020 Model 3 and 2019 to 2021 Model Y cars. Because fasteners that secure the front seat shoulder belt to the B-pillar may not be properly attached. The other recall covers 2,166 Models Y vehicles from 2019 and 2021. Because fasteners that secure the left and right second row seat belts retractors may not be properly attached. Next, we're talking about Tesla's May sales decline in China. Tesla shares dropped after reports said the company's vehicle orders in China steeply declined last month. The information citing a single source familiar with the data wrote that Tesla monthly net orders in China dropped to around 9,800 in May from more than 18,000 in April. CNBC has not corroborated with that report. Tesla's Shanghai factory is supposed to have the capacity to make around 500,000 electric cars a year for delivery in China and exports to other parts of Asia and Europe. Elon Musk's electric vehicle company has been grappling with recalls and safety investigations in China. It is also dealing with a public valuation backlash that following some high-profile vehicle crash, price changes, and quality complaints from Chinese customers. Next, talking about how some analysts feel that Tesla's sales in China will rise in May. Tesla sold 33,463 electric cars in May, up 29% from April's 25,845 units. The number still fell short of March 35,478 car sales. The rebound in sales comes despite growing negative press and regulatory scrutiny on Tesla over customer reports of brake failures. The auto industry has also cut production due to a global shortage of chips. In May, Tesla shipped 11,527 vehicles from Shanghai factory, lower than 14,174 cars reported for April, the Passenger Car Association data showed. Figures for March weren't available. Overall sales of pure electric cars more than doubled from a year ago, rising 186% to 162,000 units in May, the association said. Some in China's auto industry have cast doubts on the accuracy of the association figures. Thirdly, we're talking about Tesla's new Model S plate. Tesla began delivery of its new Model S, a high-performance version of the company's flagship electric sedan, with a live stream event at the company's test track near its factory in Fremont, California. The company's design leader, Franz von Hazen, served as master of ceremony and carried a sledgehammer on stage to introduce CEO Elon Musk, a humorous allusion to a previous event where von Hazen smashed and shattered a Cybertruck's window on stage. Previously, Musk had promised the long-expected Tesla Model S plate would deliver acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, and he crowned about quote, breaking the 2-second barrier repeatedly. Musk said the new Model S will be quote, faster than Porsche's but safer than Volvo, end quote. But he also carried some of his sweeping safety claims by noting that NHTSA have not yet rated the Model S plate for safety. According to Tesla website, the tri-motor all-wheel drive Model S plate produced 1020 horsepower, features a battery with an estimated EPA range of up to 390 miles and can hit a top speed of 200 miles per hour. It's equipped with proper wheels and tires. Those won't be available under the fall according to the fine print of the site. The four-door sedan includes a steering yoke rather than a traditional steering wheel, a 17-inch center touchscreen display, and separate 8-inch display in the rear for passenger entertainment, charging ports in the front and rear that can charge laptops and other mobile devices, and processing power that the company says put its system on par with modern gaming consoles like the PlayStation 5. When Musk began discussing the user interface update to be featured in the Model S plate, attendants began to hack him, shouting for Waypoint, a feature they have long waited the company to deliver. With Waypoint, drivers could enter several destinations into one trip within Tesla's navigative system. Finally, we're talking about Elon Musk's plan to accept Bitcoin again. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the company will resume Bitcoin transactions once it confirmed that it's reasonable clean energy usage by miners. Quote, when there is confirmation of reasonable clean energy usage by miners with a positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions, end quote. Musk was reacting to comments from Megan Viscas, CEO of South African's asset management Signa, who said that Musk's tweets on Bitcoin price were quote market manipulators. and would have triggered an investigation by the US Securities and Exchange Commission if they had been about a publicly listed company. In conclusion, to the process made by the company, the stock price started to rise. Furthermore, this is being brought higher by a hedge fund called ARK Invest, which is high growth for the company. Hence, the company has a lot to deliver to justify its current valuation. With that, thank you for a nice day. Goodbye.